Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi, beloved friends. I really want to create a world where love is for everyone. And the total foundation should be truth, justice, peace, love, and non-violence. That's the way the earth can survive. And every stakeholders, birds, beasts, animals, plants, and humans must learn to live in perfect harmony. We have to be always kind and compassionate to everyone. As you know, Charlie Chaplin, once he made a great dictator movie. There he is make a wonderful speech, the speech of the great dictator. What is it there? The way of life should be free and beautiful. The world has room for everyone. The good earth can provide for everyone. And the way of life should be free and beautiful, but we have lost the way. We have developed speed, but we have shut ourselves in. The machinery that gives us abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical. Our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much. We feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness with kindness and gentleness. Without these qualities, life will be violent or will be lost. The wisest man of the earth planet, I want to invite you to fight for the rights of the human being. But more than human being, you must be ready to fight for the rights of the helpless creatures. Birds, beasts, animals and plants. People are very cruel. Greed has poisoned man's soul. As you know, it has barricaded the world in hate. It has goes inside us and really create bloodshed and destruction of these innocent lives. So I really invite all the wisest men of this earth, unite and fight against these atrocities on the innocent lives, the birds, the beasts and animal plants. Because a yogi knows all creatures have similar feelings. If we hurt them, harm them, they will feel the pain. And it is our duty to see they are painless. They are happy. The Mother Earth is supplying everything to everyone. But the human, the criminals, the cruels, the greedy, the most heinous creature, because they have power to think, they have developed weapons. They have different tricks to kill these birds, beasts, animal, plants. My best friend Abraham Lincoln fought for abolition of slavery, Emancipation Proclamation. But now he has also conveyed us the message, the wisest men of the earth unite and fight to abolish the atrocities, the hatred, the greed of the selfish human being against these innocent lives. I have spent so many sleepless nights because I see people are killing birds, fish, animal, plants just because of they don't know what they are doing. These helpless, indolent, ignorant, thoughtless human beings killed even Jesus, Socrates, and millions of the great people who were true servants of the mankind. Maybe tomorrow somebody can kill me because I challenge everyone. Atma Sarhutesu. Every creature has similar feelings like us. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. The whole earth, inhabitants, birds, fish, animal, plants, humans should learn to live in harmony and happiness. There has to be progress. There has to be peace. There has to be joy for everyone. Not for selfish, greedy, the fools. The monsters look like human, but the heart of a demon. Unite, brothers and sisters of the earth, and save every creature. That will be protecting the Mother Earth, and we can all live happily. And we can live a wonderful world for our generation to come. This Fakir, the servant of the mankind, invite your cooperation. Alone nobody can do anything else. You have to unite and fight against these ignorant thoughts. And all have to start believing in love. Love all. Respect all. And we should always think, let's walk towards wisdom from our ignorance. Let's walk towards enlightenment, towards brightness from our darkest past. That can really create a wonderful world, a peaceful world, a happy world. Thank you very much.